So now I'm going to teach you how to buy Solana from Bybit. So I'm in the Bybit app already. Once you're in the Bybit app, you click on deposit, then go to buy with Naira. Once you have selected it will appear. An option will show above here. You can see that Solana is available up there. Solana is available. Just search. If it's not available for you, just search it here, Solana. So it's available here. There are sometimes that you search Solana to not be available. That means that nobody has Solana to sell. There's nobody that is willing to sell Solana. So luckily for us, we have someone that's selling Solana. So we select it here. Then let's say I'm looking for Solana of, so the minimum amount you can buy is from 45 to 23 million. So let's say I want to buy 5,000 naira worth of Solana. I'm sure that nobody wants to sell that kind of amount. I don't think we'll see a buyer, a seller that will sell it. Okay. I think somebody wants to sell 5,000 worth of Solana. Okay. We have someone that wants to sell 5,000 worth of Solana. So let's say you have 20k here. Okay, I type 20,000 naira. Then next. We select a recommended bank transfer. The cheaper cash is more expensive. So we select a bank transfer. Then you click on confirm. Then it will match you with somebody. It will match you up with someone that wants to buy. It will match you up with someone that wants to buy. Now see seller name Zegani, or what is it called? Zegani Faisal Mohammed. So you can click on pay now. The account number will appear. You can click on cancel order. So I'm not buying anything now, so I'll just cancel the order. It's no more easy as than yellow card. But the thing is that for you to see someone that wants to sell for you Solana, sometimes the person will be available, sometimes the person not be available. So that is the one thing. But yellow card now that I'm misbehaving, I'm messing up, sure. I don't recommend a yellow card for anybody. The reason I was buying for yellow card was because of sometimes Solana won't be available on Bybit. So I'll recommend Bybit. I recommend it. I've been using Bybit for a long time now. So cancel the other. And the one you initially 3 times. If you cancel for like 3 times, they will like time you out for the day. You cannot buy till the next day. So I no longer wish to proceed, blah blah blah. I've cancelled the order, so the order will be cancelled. The person that is buying it will be like, what's this guy doing? What the fuck? So that is it. That's all for today. I hope you understand.